In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users and set permissions in GoHighLevel sub-accounts. By the end, you'll be confident inviting teammates, assigning them the right access, and keeping your workspace secure and organized. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel sub-account. Make sure you're in the correct location where you want this teammate to work. If you see the dashboard for that sub-account, you're in the right place. Next, head to Settings. You'll typically find the gear icon on the left-hand menu. Settings is where you control how your sub-account operates, including who has access. Inside Settings, open My Staff. This section lists everyone who currently has access. It's your central hub for adding, editing, or removing team members. Click Add User. This opens a simple setup window where you'll create the teammate's profile and send their invite. When you add a user, GoHighLevel generates an email invitation so they can set their own password and log in securely, which is great for onboarding and accountability. Enter the first and last name. Use the person's real name since it appears in calendars, conversations, and task assignments, which helps your team stay clear on who is responsible for what. Add their email address. Double-check spelling, because this is where the invite goes and it becomes their login username. If your team uses shared inboxes, consider still assigning unique user logins for better tracking and permissions control. Next, assign calendars to this user. In this example, choose Daily Tasks and Meeting. Attaching the correct calendars ensures their availability displays properly and that bookings route to the right person. If you don't see the calendar you need, you'll want to set that up first and then return to this screen. Click Next to move to Roles and Permissions. Here, choose a role. In this example, select Admin. An admin typically has broad access across the sub-account, including settings and management tools. A user has more limited access focused on day-to-day tasks. As a best practice, grant the least access needed for someone to do their job. Below the role selection, review the granular permissions. Toggle on only what this person should see and manage, things like conversations, calendars, pipelines, automations, or reporting. You can always come back and adjust these later. Finally, click Save. The new teammate will receive an email invite. Remind them to check spam or promotions if it doesn't arrive right away. Once they accept, verify their access by confirming they can see the right calendars and features. That's it for adding users and setting permissions in GoHighLevel sub-accounts. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.